Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and today I have prepared two multiple choice questions for you. And here's the first question. Viruses range in size from approximately, and you have to choose one of these answers. Very easy question, not much to explain, you just have to memorize that viruses usually range between 25 and 300 nanometers. This is answer B, but I want you to memorize something else. Take a look. So here is a calculation how, according to the radius, volume would change. So if we have, for example, I took just centimeters, so for you it would be easier to imagine numbers than if I would show you something in nanometers. So 1 centimeter radius would means the volume of the sphere is going to be 4.19 cubic centimeters. And how do you think the volume would change if we'll take radius, which is going to be 15 times bigger? Take a look at this picture. I just made another calculation. Now radius is 15 centimeters and the volume of the sphere is going to be 14,100 cubic centimeters. Compare 4 and 14,000. So this number is 3,500 times bigger than this number. This is very important to understand that if one virus is this small, another virus is this big, so 10 times or 15 times bigger, that doesn't mean that this virus is actually 15 times bigger by volume. It is 3,500 times bigger by volume if radius are going to be 15 times bigger. So here's the center, here's the radius, here's the center, and this is going to be our radius. Again, 3,500 times bigger by volume. That means that here we can accommodate 3,500 smaller viral particles, smaller viruses. So this virus can have much more genetic information, also may include different proteins and so on. This is average number, but the biggest virus is about 500 nanometers, and also some viruses are rod shape. So it's not going to be like a sphere, but instead are going to be something like this. And such viruses can be up to 1000 nanometers. But the volume of such viruses is not going to be very big. Now we can move to the next question. Which of the following nucleic acid types are not found in viruses? Again, you have to choose one of these answers. I want to give you a few seconds to think which answer to choose. Now let's read every variant. Linear double-stranded DNA, B. Circular double-stranded DNA, linear single-stranded RNA, circular single-stranded RNA, double-stranded RNA, single-stranded DNA, and variant G. All of the above are found in the viruses, and this is correct answer. In viruses we can find double-stranded, single-stranded, DNA-based virus and RNA-based viruses. Some of the viral genomes can be circular, some of them can be linear, and some of them can be fragmented, just like in higher animals. For example, genome of the influenza virus is fragmented, and you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 fragments, and each fragment code for certain protein, and this is single-stranded RNA virus. And single-stranded viruses also we can divide to two categories: positive strand and negative strand. So as you see, the correct answer is answer G. All of the above are found in the viruses. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.